Right, just a quick video on one of these, I suppose, Vietnam War type spear traps. They're pretty simple. This is similar to how I've seen pictures of them made. Maybe the trigger might be slightly different, but it's all on the same kind of thing. Elastic, a trigger, a pipe, and some sort of dart or arrow. Oh, and a tripwire. And then what they would have done is this would have kind of been buried at the ground at an angle slightly pointed up. Your dart or your arrow is put in there. This is pulled back, connected underneath here for the trigger mechanism, and then this is going to hold in place. And then this string would go maybe to a peg along and in front, so that once it's stepped onto, this would release and the arrow would come shooting out. Now this one has been made with a board, and then I've cut these bits out each end of this pipe and screwed it down. I did one in the middle because it was a little bit wobbly, and the reason I did it in the middle is because the force of this hitting is quite hard, so this has got to be secured quite well. Loads of ways that could be done. I put a bit of tape at the back there just to it was like this, you see, so stop it being so kind of ragged and for the elastic to hit on. The elastic is just attached with two slots there, tied in a knot, and the rest is just taped under. On the elastic, it's got a piece of wire and then a washer. Now that doesn't have to be a washer, that could be something like this. But I looked up, I saw washers and I thought that's going to work. So this end is just these bits of angled metal, one at the back, two here with a nail put in it, and then I've bent it slightly so the nail doesn't come out. So to set it, you pull this back, slightly awkward because it's got a bit of force in it. Get that washer like that, and then you just stick this peg between there and there. Attach your tripwire on, and once this peg is pulled out, it will release that. What you would do at this point, I'm going to set this off without it, is take this arrow and place it in. But I'm just going to take that out for a minute. And then just show you it being set off, and then we'll see if we can set something up. So they walk into the tripwire and off it goes. And now I've just set it up with an cardboard box in front of it. So quite a simple little trap really. One other thing I would say is this would have to be secured to the floor Put some like pegs in, slightly pointed up like that. Someone walks into it, and you'd be surprised in how far that elastic will fire. But like I've said before, any of these types of things, it doesn't actually matter how effective they are, as long as they're there. Changes everything, you know, kind of psychological. It'll slow people down, it'll make them worried. Right, thanks for watching, I'll see you later.